Good morning, everyone, and welcome back. Today we're going to go over the Mind and Mood Kit 3 from Doterra. I may have forgotten to mention that this is part of the new wellness program from Doterra. There's the Mind and Mood Kit, there's the Immunity Kit, there's the Restore Kit, and then I did see that they are coming out with a Sleep Kit and a Respiratory Kit. So I'm pretty excited about all of those. If you want to kind of decide which one I do next, leave a comment below, or you can go over to my Facebook group, the Essential Oil Mom Hub, and vote for which kit I should do next. It's a 3-month commitment. You can cancel at any time. It's $75 per kit. And then, so you'll get kit 1 and then kit 2 and then kit 3. So this is kit 3 of the Mind and Mood kit. It's been really fun doing this. I did the whole immunity kit and now I'm doing this one, so let me know which one I should get next. And let's get into this. So you have that nice perforated edge here. So normally this goes better. Alright, let's put my trash off over here. And let's get into this. As always, I'll put a little card up of all the primary benefits of each oil or each product that I am pulling out. But I will kind of talk about them a little bit too as we go. I'm just taking out all the wrappings. So the first thing in here is Mind and Mood Kit 3. It's a little card. And it does also like kind of just go everything that is in the kit. All right, so we have a 15 milliliter bottle of Cedarwood. This is a great oil for restfulness. I like putting this in my diffuser for bedtime, but it's just a very calming oil. It's a very good oil. It's very woodsy, as you would imagine being cedarwood. But I do like it a lot. It's one of my favorites. Okay, talking about favorites. One of my all-time favorites. When I am working and I'm diffusing in my home office, Citrus Bliss is always in there. It's a very uplifting, very just positive oil. I love Citrus Bliss. I like adding a drop of cinnamon bark to my Citrus Bliss. It is amazing. It is amazing. So take a look at the benefits that I'm going to post right here, and just, oh my gosh, Citrus Bliss is one of my all-time favorite oils. Then we also have Lavender, which is another very calming oil. Great oil, has so many amazing benefits. Yeah. I just keep saying that, I do apologize, yeah. All right, they also have the Adaptive Spray. This is a really good spray to have. You can just, spray it on yourself, spray it on your clothes, spray it just around in the air that you need it to be. Leave up those benefits. Balance, a great grounding oil, great oil to make you balanced. Just a great oil. I like to do this on the bottoms of my big toes. I like to do it before bed. Other people like to do it right before they wake up in the morning. I love that this is now in a roller bottle. When I first started with Doterra, it was just in a 15 milliliter bottle, not a roller. And I am so forever grateful that it's now in a roller. Very, very good oil. Perfect for your bed. Serenity Spray. Spray your pillow before you go to sleep. Get some really nice, calming, relaxing. I like to spray Rachel's crib before bed. I usually make my own spray in a glass spray bottle and do that, but it's nice to have, when you get these from Doterra as well in a kit like this, and you get to, take a break from making it, because I have a 7-month-old and two other little ones, so I love making my own DIYs, but it's nice to get this every once in a while. And then the last thing was the free gift, and it is a little body butter from Doterra. So their body butters are really nice, very creamy. I'm not gonna open, I'm not gonna open it because I might give this out as a gift to someone because it's little and cute. But a great oil, not great oil, a great body butter. It could be used as a great gift, just great for yourself. If you've never tried Doterra's body butter, great way to try it. Just something amazing. So anyways, I hope you all have a beautiful rest of your day, and consider subscribing if you like learning about essential oils. If you like looking at workout videos, I do post those. Like challenges, I do challenges. I'm not a workout coach or anything like that. I just like to see what my body can do, and I post that here for all of you. And then, hopefully we're doing a little bit of a kitchen remodel right now. So Not Black Kiddo's kitchen is on a little bit of a hold, but hopefully we'll be able to bring that back soon because I know the kids love filming that. And if you have any suggestions on recipes or anything that I should do with the kiddos, leave those in the comments below as well. But please consider subscribing and giving this video a thumbs up so I know that you guys are interested in learning more about essential oils and you like these types of kits. Also, leave a suggestion below whether or not I should do the sleep kit, the respiratory kit, or the revive kit. Leave that in the comments below too. I have to pick a new kit for starting in April for the next quarter. So that'll be April, May, and June. So let me know what you guys are thinking that we should do next. I hope y'all have a beautiful day. God bless.